Okay, so now we're going to glue this scale together. I have everything sanded the way I want it. I have it oriented the way I want it. Industrial strength super glue. Got a little quick shot shoring agent. There we go. Like that bolts to there. That one goes there. That goes like that. Put on the liner. Put on the bolster in the face. Put some on each half of that. This stuff shores quickly. You have to work quick, right? Just smooth it all around so it's all over every piece. Bolts lined up, and now give it a little spritz of this. And I'm going to push like this and push down on the divider so that glue starts to set up. I want the forces going like this to push everything together. As I'm pressing down, I can see some of the glue coming out from underneath the scales. That's that. Then I'll do this one, then I will sand them all down so they look like a usable pair of rectangles. This is some that I have in the can saved for a build. You might be wondering, Scooter, how do I acquire such a knife with these cool scales? You should join the Pout House for one, or catch one of our shows, because this is not things you'll find on the website. You just find these in the Pout House, or at Christmas show. We had a bunch of stuff. I think the next show that you might see some of this at is Texas Blade Show, which one of the guys puts up things online here. Again, you should, if you're on the Pout House, you will see all those custom knives, stuff like that. All right, let me get this a little further along, and then I'll show you the next step.